Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And if you look below this video, you'll see a lot of links that you can go to. Also, I have all the supplies listed below. This is a new business and it's a small business, so if you would like to help and support it, just please push the like button and the share button. I would really appreciate it. And also you could go to Couture.com/Cherie Criswell to my website. You can window shop, or join, become a designer like me. All right, we got all that stuff out of the way. Now let's get more into the video I'm going to do today. It's a Christmas project. I know it's a little bit early, but I'm going to kind of pepper that in throughout with regular videos and holiday videos, because we also have Halloween and Thanksgiving besides Christmas, so we got a lot coming up. Now today I'm going to do the days until Christmas, and I am also using our 10-inch magnetic round, and we also have this 3-inch chalk round. Now I used, if you can see that, I put some magnetic tape, which I just got at my local store. I think I got it in the office supply. And I put that magnetic tape on the back because this is magnetic. So you can see it just sticks to it. I want to kind of use that for placement. And I'm going to put the days on here. And I just Googled it. And it is 100, well, it's 120 today, but it'll be 110 when I schedule this to go out. So we'll put 110. The thing is, it's just a chalk marker, so you can change it each day. So we'll put 110 on it right now. All right, then I want to show you some of our inks too. When I get them in, I put the date on them. And as you can see, this was October from last year. So this is about 10 months old, and it's still really good. You want it to be the consistency of sour cream or yogurt. And as they get older, it does get a little bit thicker, so you just add water. And I just put a couple squirts of my water bottle in there and then mix it up till I get it the way I want. I do use mineral water in there, or distilled water rather. I don't know that you have to. I just figure that's what I did. So okay, so on with the video. The transfer I'm using today is days until Christmas. So I'm just taking my black chalk paste and I'm going to squeegee the paste on and take off any excess, put it back in the jar, and remove your transfer. Easy peasy. Now I'm going to put 5 ornaments on here. And the process is, again, chalking, removing the transfer. Then I'm putting glitter on it. This is after you remove the transfer. And the chalk is still wet. And let it dry on there. And I keep doing this process for all 5 of the ornaments. I'm using the backing of the transfer to cover up the first layer that I put on there, just to protect it, and I don't have to worry about pulling anything up, which wouldn't be a disaster. I mean, you just wipe it off and start over, but trying to avoid that, so I use the backing for all 5 of the ornaments. So you put the transfer on, squeegee the paste, take the transfer off, put the glitter on, and let it dry. Now, to prevent these from being floating ornaments, I put a chain transfer on here, which comes with the days until Christmas transfer. And I'm going to put them on all 5. I used elephant gray chalk paste. And the last one. Then when I finished with that, I took the snowflake transfer and I put 3 on there, following the rule of odd numbers. 5 ornaments, 3 snowflakes. I also used elephant gray on these. And then just like that, it's done. I used 2 of the transfers on these cuts of wood. Turned out really good on there too. And then I took some twine, put them through there. I'm going to hang them on my Christmas tree. These transfers you can use over and over again and on so many different type of surfaces. Wood, metal, glass, chalkboard, you name it. Between the paste and the ink, you can put it on it. Thanks for joining me. See you next